Welcome to Space Stuff. Today we will be covering some basic facts about the planets in the solar system. To start with, we are going to cover Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. First up, we have Mercury, which is the closest planet to the Sun. It takes Mercury 88 days to orbit the Sun. Mercury is also the smallest planet and has a diameter of 4,879 kilometers. The surface temperature ranges from 430 degrees Celsius to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Next up will be Venus, the second planet from the Sun, which is also the brightest object in our night sky other than the Sun and the Moon. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Despite Mercury being closer to the Sun, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps in heat like a greenhouse. Venus has a diameter of 12,104 kilometers, being the second largest rocky planet in the system. After Venus, we go by Earth, the planet that every human that has ever lived has grew up and lived on. Earth is a very important planet because you live here, but Earth is also able to sustain life. The Earth has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers. Other than having life, the Earth also has a moon, which is called the Moon. The Moon was thought to be created when a Mars-sized planet smashed into the Earth, causing the Earth and Moon. After Earth, we reach the dead planet of Mars, which is red in color and is much colder than the Earth. Mars is the seventh largest planet in the solar system, having a diameter of 6,779 kilometers. Mars takes 687 days to go around the Sun and around 24 hours and 30 minutes to rotate once on its axis. Mars also has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are very small moons. After Mars, we reach the asteroid belt, and just past that is the massive planet of Jupiter. Jupiter is huge and can fit over 1,300 Earths in it. Being that large also means it has a diameter of 140,000 kilometers, which is the biggest of any planet in our solar system. Jupiter also has very distinct features visible from space, such as its great red spot that is a raging storm on the planet. Jupiter has many moons, but the four most known moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These four moons are known as the Galilean moons and are very famous moons. After Jupiter is the planet of Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 116,000 kilometers. Saturn is mostly known for its rings that encircle it. These rings are made up of ice rocks and crushed moons. Saturn, like Jupiter, also has many moons such as Titan and Enceladus. After the big gas giants, we reach the icy planets, starting with Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 51,000 kilometers. Uranus is very big. The planet has 27 known moons and visible rings, although not as visible as Saturn's. Uranus is the coldest planet too, being minus 195 degrees Celsius. At the edge of the solar system is Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun. Being only slightly smaller than Uranus, Neptune has a diameter of 50,000 kilometers. Neptune has 14 moons, but the only big moon is Triton, a captured dwarf planet that will eventually be crushed into a beautiful set of rings similar to Saturn's.